In this video, you are going to see how to add border to a picture in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Picture. Let us choose this device. Click on this picture and click on Insert. Then the picture will be inserted. Now if you want to crop it, click on over here, go to Picture Format, go to Crop, go to aspect ratio and make it 1:1 and place it like this. Now if you want to move it freely, click on over here, go to picture format, go to wrap text, click on in front of text. Now you can resize it. Click on the picture, go to format picture, go to over here this option fill and line, go to line, click on solid line. Now you can choose the color of your choice. Now if you want to increase or decrease the width, here let us choose 4 point, then the border will be added. There is another shortcut way. Choose the picture, go to picture format, go to picture border, choose the color of your choice, go to picture border, go to width. You can increase or decrease the size. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.